Let's talk about time signatures and counting. When we play music, we keep an internal clock ticking in our mind that counts. For most of the music we've played, we count to 4. That's the time signature of 4/4. The top number is what we are counting to. The bottom number is what we are counting by. So in 4/4, we are counting to 4 using quarter notes. One measure equals 4 quarter notes. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a look at 6/8. This means we're counting to 6 using eighth notes. One measure equals 6 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's look at 12/8. One measure equals 12 eighth notes. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Although that's certainly a mouthful, and it gets a little hard to say at faster tempos. 12/8 is closely related to 4/4 time. You can hear a pulse and count to 4 in 12/8. The difference is that each beat is divided into 3 equal beats. One way to count 12/8 is 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Sometimes you'll see music written out in 12/8, and other times it might be written out in 4/4 using triplets. It's good to get used to seeing it written out in different ways, as you never know what you're going to come across in your musical journey. And now, you are ready to rock with some compound rhythms.